I've been to a lot of other schools and nothing compares to Clemson University. In high school, I came for one of the football games and I just fell in love with the campus and the people here. It's beautiful. I started out as a business major, didn't find that very appealing. I had some buddies that were in CSM. They were talking to me about what the classes entail and I just thought that was really cool. I got into it, thank God, and I love it. I just find it fascinating to build things from the ground up. It's a really cool process to look at, and then to be able to actually do it myself is even better. It was cool to hear what goes on in Blanchard. I didn't realize how much they do with rentals, big excavators, large equipment, even scissor lifts. I thought it was really cool seeing construction all over South Carolina. It's the largest growing state, so that's always going to give a need for construction. CSM is a great program, and I couldn't ask for anything more.